GMC in Auburn, and I'm so excited that you're interested in this 2022 GMC Acadia SLT. It is black, has the black wheels, so that sporty look. Super low miles on this, only 17,000 miles, locally owned, one previous owner, clean Carfax. It is loaded up, has the heads-up display here, the leather interior, heated and cooled seats. You got the dual sunroof. All right, and then the second row has the captain's chairs. It does have heated seats back here. And then in the third row, you can seat 2 more people. So this vehicle, all-wheel drive SUV, will seat 6 altogether. Love the Acadias because it is a third row option, which is great for families. This is with the third row up, so you still have some cargo space here, a little bit of storage. Again, super low miles. It is here and available. Please call, text, email, come see me, Hilary, here at Valley GMC. I'm super excited to meet and work with you soon.